So this is pound yen analysis for Tuesday 9th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the pound yen, we have seen the breakdown from this 49.10. We've had price come through 48.46, 148.40. We've had prices come down pretty close towards that 47.35. Didn't quite get there. We've had this brief rally. We did attempt to possibly get up towards that 48.46. Didn't quite test that 48.46 to the upside. We had headed all the way up towards that 148. I think it's 39 or so. 128, 148.40. We've seen the sell side momentum come into the market to bring us back down for a pretty much perfect test of 47.35 so far. So if we do see a bullish bounce off this 47.35, the very next level of note here to the upside, it'll move up towards that 148.46 to 148.61. If we do have sufficient volatility in the market, may see price head up towards that 149.10, but we require complete reversal of this sell side momentum we've seen in the market the past couple of days. So it may just at the far end of the range be around that 148.80. If we do see a bit of a countering move, should be aware of the 400 and 200 period moving averages, which we did see a bit of a consolidation in around that 400 200 period moving average confluence. Now if we do see this breakdown from this 147.35, very next level of note here to the downside will be a move down towards that 146.38. If we're not able to find support at 146.38, we'll then look at the price down towards that 146 here on the pound against the yen. And before we wrap it all up, let's just have a look here at the daily chart. So on the daily chart of the pound against the yen, on the daily chart here of the pound against the yen, we do have our lows. We've had this rally, we've had a higher low, we've had this further rally here to the upside. We've had this consolidation in between that 49.10 and that 47.35, been in a bit of a range for the past couple of days / weeks on the pound against yen. So we'll see if we do find support at the lower end of this trading range, around that 147.35. That is the case, looking for a price head up towards the upper end, around that 149.10, in between 149.10 and the 149.78. If we do break down, however, from that 147.35, the very next level of note here to the downside is possibly at 145.11, and beyond that we're looking for price head down towards that 143.78 on the pound against yen. And similarly, if we broke out of the to the upside beyond the 149.78, we're looking for moves towards a 150.56 and a 151.25 here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.